Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Artistic Hema. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now and also click the bell icon and select all so that you will get all notifications. This is a very simple pattern. What you could do is you can just draw random lines or follow what I have drawn. And what method I have used here is alternatively I have done two different designs. So if you can see, in one design I have just drawn straight lines, and in the second row I have drawn semicircles. So this is the entire pattern would follow like this. So in one row you will have lines, horizontal straight lines, and in the other you can draw semicircles or swirls, or you can draw anything that you want, any pattern that you wish to. It is not necessary that you will have to follow the same pattern when you are doodling. So whatever comes to your mind, you could do this. So start repeating the same technique on your entire drawing sheet, and once you've completed this, you can use either black or blue, red, any gel pen. Just give an outline to your entire drawing. Once the outline is given, I have used simple gel pens. These gel pens hardly cost around $5. So you could use them, or you can use a sketch pen. You can even paint. If you are very good in painting, you can use the zero size brush and you can paint. But then I have just used these two colors, black and red, and alternatively I have begun coloring. You could take a look at this and follow the simple steps, and your doodle project will be completed. And trust me, when you're doing this, you do not have to focus on anything else. Just focus on your doodling, and you can just put a light music at the background or any music that you like. But this is one of the techniques that's mostly used for de-stressing yourself, calm your mind, and there are a lot of benefits. I have added a couple of videos previously. You can check some of them in the I button here. This is definitely going to help you in increasing your focus, concentration, and you will see the difference. Now this is, as I said, a very good technique used in the training department. So during sessions, this is one of the activities that is being conducted. So you can follow this and let me know in the comments how you liked it. Well, this will be the outcome of the final project. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share and like.